In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Pipedrive API key in just 5 minutes. The API key is essential for integrating your Pipedrive account with other platforms and services, so knowing where and how to find it quickly is really helpful. Let's jump right in and start from the beginning. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Pipedrive website. Once you're on their homepage, the next thing you'll need to do is log in. You can do this by clicking on the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and enter your login credentials, your email and password, to access your Pipedrive account. Once you're logged in successfully, you'll land on the Pipedrive home interface. This is your main dashboard where you can manage and view your sales pipeline and other essential features that Pipedrive offers. From here, move to your profile settings. This can be found by clicking on your profile icon, typically located at the top right of the page, which might show your picture or initials. Now, when you click on your profile, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you need to select Personal Preferences. This is your central hub for personalizing your Pipedrive experience according to what best suits your workflow and style. In the Personal Preferences menu, you will see several options on the side. Look for the API section. Clicking on this will take you to the API settings page. This page not only lets you view your current API key, but also offers the opportunity to regenerate a new one if needed, which can be particularly handy if you suspect your current key has been compromised. Now, the last step on this page is to find your personal API token. This is your unique string that allows different software systems to communicate with Pipedrive securely. You can copy this key by simply clicking on it. Remember, it's crucial to keep this key safe and secure, as it grants access to your Pipedrive data, and you don't want unauthorized parties to have this access. And that's it. You've successfully found your Pipedrive API key. With this key, you can now go ahead to integrate Pipedrive with other third-party services, helping you to automate tasks and improve your workflow even more. I hope this quick guide was helpful in walking you through the steps. If you have any more questions or need further clarification on Pipedrive or its features, feel free to leave a comment or reach out. Thanks for watching, and happy integrating!